Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to review an amazing course that will help you design and develop modern web applications using Java EE and Spring Boot. And the best part, you can get this course completely free and legally with a special coupon. Have you ever thought about learning Java web development? Do you want to take your skills in designing and architecting G applications to the next level? This course is exactly for you. Spring 6 and Spring Boot 3. Developing Java Web Applications. More than 2,000 students have taken this course and learned essential skills for developing modern web applications. You too can start learning Java and Spring Boot from scratch and become a professional developer. In this course, you will learn design and architecture of G applications using Spring 6 and Spring Boot 3, creating a complete REST application from scratch with the best development practices, developing modern, scalable software based on advanced architectures, key concepts of Java EE and their real-world applications. How to get this course for free. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can get this course completely free and legally. Just go to Google and search for discounted course in Yacom. Make sure to enter the address exactly as mentioned here. Once you enter the website, find the course Spring 6 and Spring Boot 3 and click on Get Coupon to claim your free access to the course. Attention! You only have 4 days left to use this coupon, so make sure to grab it before it expires. In addition to this course, you will have access to thousands of other free courses in areas. Get a valuable certificate. Upon completing this course, you will receive a certificate of completion, which you can add to your resume and improve your job opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest learning opportunities. Looking forward to your comments. And I wish you all the success.